guys, this is our positive input, and we are going to connect it to the positive of our oscillating circuit parallel together. And here is the negative from the MOSFET and negative of the oscillating circuit as well, guys. So we are going to connect that one together also, and positive of oscillating and transformer positive, guys, together. Then we are going to test it. So guys, this is our circuit. As you can see, we are using the same connection we used in another video. As you can see, guys, if you have been following my video, you will understand this, guys. And we've already made this video on how to make oscillating circuits. And this is our driver. We are using this our driver since then. As you can see, to the middle of this N-channel MOSFET and to the middle of the oscillating. And this is the positive input. And here is our output. So I will leave a link in the description on how to make this oscillating driver if you are new to my video. So we are going to add the battery. This is the negative and here is the positive. So we are going to add our 12-volt battery. So we are going to test our transformer, guys. So guys, we want to test our video, our project. So this is the positive and here's the negative. So guys, as you can see, no noise. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, so this is our battery. As you can see, guys, and this is the third battery. So guys, that's 200 watt bulb.